how to upgrade your Spotify PC to Premium. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Spotify PC to Premium. So all what you have to do is go to Spotify and go to your liked songs here and click on upgrade, and it will take you to this page. Click login, and now here choose get 3 months for free. You can try it. For example, if you want to listen to music for free and get the trial version, just click here and it will take you to this page. As you can see, you will have a premium Spotify for 3 months. Now all what you have to do is fill those informations and add your PayPal or credit card, and you can cancel if you don't want to continue after. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.